Hey y'all, well, welcome back to my channel, and sorry this video took a little longer, and the one before too. I had an actually very bad and severe case of eczema, which I get. Thanks, Mom. Genetic thing. It was not pretty. Actually the worst one I've ever experienced, and it's something I do not wish on anyone if they don't have it already. If you do have it, I feel for you. So today I'm doing another DIY shoe fashion hack video, and I made some comic shoes. I love superheroes, I love comic books. I have Wonder Woman tattooed on my ankle. Yes, I do. So I get to go back to like kid days. I don't know if you guys read comic books or anything, or just were into any kind of the superheroes or comic books, stuff like that. I was, and I made my shoes just like it, with a little bit of sparkles on the back too. So I really like the vintagey kind of comic book style thing, and they're great because they're also very colorful and they just stand out, so they're awesome. We'll get started on what I used, which obviously was to start an old pair of shoes, or a pair that I found at a thrift store. Comic books cut up, little pieces, Mod Podge, paintbrush, and a little bit of time. It's actually really easy, it just takes time to wait for the Mod Podge to dry. So, alright, let's get going. First, you're going to want to prepare your shoes, whether it's heels or sneakers that you decide on, with rubbing alcohol or even good soap and water, cleaning them down. Now cut out some pieces from the comic books and its pages that you would like to have on your shoes. For this project, I used a mix of the matte and the gloss Mod Podge, which I ended up using a little bit more gloss in the end, but it's up to you, whichever you choose. Now, with a sponge applicator or paintbrush, you're going to want to apply the Mod Podge. I found just going one side at a time seemed to work the best. Then you're going to begin adding the cuttings from the comic books to the shoes, kind of like in layers, like you're making a collage. As you go, you're going to put more Mod Podge over them to act as a sealant, and then more cuttings over those. And you're going to continue doing this until it's fully covered all over where you want it. I decided to cover the whole shoe, including the bottom or the sole, except for the toe part where you're walking a lot, because it would wear off. After applying a few extra coats of the gloss Mod Podge, I added rhinestones to the back of the upper part of the heel using a heat setting tool. And here's how these masterpieces turned out. I'm super happy with the way that these turned out, especially for how easy it was to do them. And yeah, it's just, they're fun, they're colorful, they're different, and you get to make them at home, which is awesome. Little Mod Podge, and you're ready to roll. So if you like the video or any of my other ones, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and like it. It definitely helps me out and knowing what else and what other things to make that you want to see. If you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to hit that big button down below. It says subscribe. And if you want to get notifications, you just hit the little bell button next to it, and it will send you notifications when I put up new videos, so that you don't miss out on any more DIY videos, hair videos, whatever else I might put up and do. I don't know. I like to do a lot of different things. Alright, well, I hope you guys make some awesome shoes. I would love to know how any turn out that you do make. It is the end of the video, of course. So, let me know in the comments if you, like the video, give it a big thumbs up, of course, but in the comments let me know who your favorite superhero is. What was your favorite comic book? Also, if you have any other ideas or suggestions that you felt would have made the project better or the shoes better, let me know. I'm always open to ideas and input. So that being said, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next video. All right, bye.